Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well and having a great week. So today's video, you may be wondering, Carly, why are you in your pyjamas in your bathroom? Well, I'm going to be doing my nighttime routine tonight. As you can see, it's like nearly 11:30. So yeah, proper nighttime routine. As I said, in the morning routine, this one is coming, so here it is. So the first step of my routine is to put my headband on. Don't know where it's from, but it just keeps my hair on my face. Just so, I don't know, don't get me hair in my face when I'm doing my skincare. If I can get it on, that'd be brilliant. Right, I know I look like Ryan Egghead, but it's fine. Because you got to protect the hair, haven't you? Anyway, so my first step is going to be my first cleanser. Now I always use double cleansing methods because even if you're not wearing makeup, you're always wearing SPF and other products on your face. You want to get rid of the sebum and things that your skin has accumulated throughout the day. So my first cleanser is the Sly Makeup Melting Butter Cleanser by Drunk Elephant. It's got this little spoon on top so you can like wipe it on your face. Proper like fancy in it. Anyway, as you can see, I've literally hardly used any of it. So you have to put it on your face dry, and then hold on. It says makes away traces, dirt, makeup, and sun cream from skin. It says use on dry skin, then add water to activate and rinse well. Yeah. There's also a little exfoliator that comes with it that you can use in the AM. That's literally how much I use. It's probably actually a bit too much. Put a bit back. Okay. Maybe that. And it's also magnetic. That's cool, isn't it? All you do is come back. So as you just saw in that video, I rubbed it on my face with my skin being dry, and then I use the water to activate, and I'm going to rinse it off and pat on my face dry. So on to the second cleanser, which is my Alpha H Balancing Cleanser with Damask Rose. This one, it's like this. It's kind of like a milky gel. I would always recommend to use like a balm or oil cleanser as your first removal, your first step to double cleansing, I should say. And then for your second step, always kind of use like one of these kind of textures or a gel kind of cream, just to also clean your skin the second time. Because when you wear makeup, even not wearing makeup, when you use the first cleanser, it doesn't remove all the sunscreen, nothing. But this Drunk Elephant one is so amazing. It literally makes my skin feel so good. But you know, double cleansing is very important, so I'll do that now. When I'm over you. Sorry guys, I forgot to mention that I use my face halo also to remove my makeup. This is a Halo Tech Fibers pad. It's dual-sided, and all you do is you remove your makeup with just water with this. Replaces up to 500 makeup wipes, and it's reusable, so it's really good for the environment and also very quick and easy. This is what I would use on a night out when I'm coming in and, you know, I don't have time for that routine because I'm a bit, you know, worse for wear or whatever. So I just use this and rub it over. Well, I don't rub it, I like gently hold it over the areas of my face, and then boom, done. It's really good. I've used these for nearly about 2 years now, and I just love them so much. They're amazing. Paired with the Drunk Elephant, I think amazing combo. So just thought I'd let you know I use these as well. You can get them from Boots and the Face Halo website. I'll obviously link everything below. Okay, thanks. So the next step is toner, and I'm using my L'Oreal Fine Flowers toner. And each time you leave, you take. So next step is going to be eye cream. And the eye cream I'm using is the Turmeric Vitamin C Booster Eye Cream by Sweet Chef.
I'm done with you. I said I'm done with you. And now
eye cream done. Now the next step is going to be retinol. Now retinol is very important for fine lines. If you've got any acne scarring, this is good for this. And yeah, I just like it. I've got the ordinary retinol, 0.5%. I don't use it every night because it's just not, you have to build up your tolerance to it. So I used it and then I didn't use it for a while. I just kind of give my skin breaks really. So when I start using it again, I will use it one night per week, and then after that 2 nights per week. There are a few things that it can cause. So it can cause irritation and redness and peeling around the eye area and mouth. So protect your eyes by putting eye cream on, because it creates a barrier against the retinol. It's only in the early stages. So if you use it too much, if you use it like every day when the first time you got it, that's going to happen to you. So just use it like once or twice a week when you first. Also very important, only use it at night. And also, this is vital, absolutely vital, you need to use SPF after you've used retinol, because it makes your skin more sensitive to sunlight. I mean, you should be using SPF every day anyway, because even if the sun's not out, your skin is still attracting the rays. So mine is the La Roche-Posay Ultra Protection Sun Cream in SPF 50. Obviously only use it in the morning because you don't need SPF when you go to sleep. On top of your moisturiser. So what I do with the retinol, make sure my skin is like fully dry, because if your skin's wet, it's not going to be great. So I literally use a few drops, like hardly anything, because it's so potent. So literally like 1, 2, 3, literally like that. Rub it into my hands, and then I just like put it on my skin, but not obviously around the eye area. So then I just like do that patting a bit, make sure it's all absorbed. I move on to my night cream, which is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. So I'm just going to apply that.
love you. I'm done with.
So now I've applied my night cream. I'm going to do my last. I can take this off now because obviously I'm not doing anything more. And then I'm just going to, where is it? Tie my hair back. So I will leave you in the description the correct way to apply products. It will just give you step by step how to apply them, when to apply them. You want to do the things that you're doing to your face, obviously, to your neck. So after that, I just apply my lip balm, which is Elizabeth Arden 8-hour cream. The absolute saviour in the winter, because my lips are so dry. So, you know, this helps me get my lips back hydrated. That's actually the last step in my skincare routine. I'm actually ready to go to bed. All I do with my hair is I just plait it before I go to bed, because it helps to stop knotting and ripping of the hair. So that's what I do. And yeah, I'm just gonna go to bed now. So I hope you've enjoyed watching my video tonight, and I hope you have learned some skincare tips, or if you've got any more skincare tips you want to share with me that I can learn, I would love for you to leave them down in the comments below. Tell me what your skincare routine is. If you want to add any more products to it, leave that down in the comments too. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also share it with your family and friends, and turn on the notification bell. Alright guys, so I'm going to bed. I'll see you later. Night. Bye.